Welcome to an introduction to learning without scars. This is who we are. At Learning Without Scars, we are dedicated to assessing skills, providing comprehensive training, and testing your employees' knowledge and abilities to consistently meet and exceed your customers' needs and expectations at every point of interaction. Our holistic approach ensures that your team is well equipped to deliver exceptional customer service with confidence and proficiency. We work closely with your organization to develop customized training programs that align with your brand values and customer service goals, fostering a customer centric culture that builds long lasting relationships. By identifying skill gaps and providing targeted training, we equip your employee teams with the necessary knowledge and tools to excel in their roles. Our training programs are designed to enhance communication skills, problem solving abilities, and emotional intelligence, enabling your employees to manage diverse customer interactions with empathy and professionalism. At Learning Without Scars, we measure our success based on your ability to retain customers and increase customer transactions profitability. We understand that satisfied customers are the key to sustainable growth, and our ultimate goal is to help you achieve higher customer retention rates and improved profitability. Through our proven methodologies and ongoing support, we partner with you to unlock your organization's full potential and create a loyal customer base that drives your business forward. We use cutting edge Zentoro analytics to measure the impact of our training programs, providing you with data driven insights and actionable recommendations. Our analytics program tracks key performance indicators, such as customer satisfaction scores, retention rates, and revenue growth, allowing you to quantify the ROI of our training programs. By continuously monitoring and analyzing these metrics, we can refine our strategies and ensure that your employees are consistently delivering outstanding service that sets you apart from the competition. Partner with Learning Without Scars to equip your employees, enhance customer experiences, and achieve sustainable growth in today's dynamic business landscape. With our expertise, customized training solutions, and data driven approach, you can build a high performing team that exceeds customer expectations and drives your organization's success. The time is now.